How does Sorare work? NBA, football, MLB? Yes. Play all. Sorare remains largely a fantasy soccer game but provides an entirely radically different experience. The user purchases digital trading cards that have been digitized using the Ethereum blockchain instead of selecting the player's name. Non-fungible token cards have owners who have the freedom to trade them for cryptocurrency collections. NFT cards also dominate Sorare's story. There is a crypto prize and a unique card. Sorare lets users join various teams, including Junior League, Under-21 and regional clubs if necessary. Each participant can create a new lineup each day using their current playing cards. Why should soccer fans play Sorare? This game has many benefits for severe and casual fans. A virtual tournament is an easy way to stay connected with your favorite team even when it doesn't occur. You can then view teams of users differently and see their results as well. The Sorare system is an efficient way to sell and buy cards via other marketplace platforms such as the Sorare and the OpenSea market. If you build a team, you'll make a lot of money. In conclusion, Sorare is an excellent place for meeting soccer lovers worldwide. The game has an active community on Twitter, Discord, and other social networks. How do you get free cards in Sorare? You are buying a new card. Choose a club name or emblem. Choose your favorite club. Your free players are selected for this club. Join a team. Create a group. Please follow the best people in your game. Offers an exclusive deal. What gives you more points in fantasy football? When composing your crew, you must be attentive. The Rookie League can help you to earn rare cards that can be worth a lot of money. Your chance to start learning is absolutely free, so choose wisely. Can you play Sorare for free? Yes. Also, rare events are entirely free with amazing prizes. You may worry you won't ever get a strong team of players. What does SO5 mean, Sorare? Football and MLB teams with the finest players earn points on the players' performances during each game. Can you make money playing Sorare? Yes. Sorare uses NFT to pay for games. Purchase authentic football trophies on the blockchain. Depending on your performance at a game, you can win money, in fiat or Ether. It is possible to sell NFT profitably. How to earn cards on Sorare. Get the best card. Select the club's name and logo. Choose your favorite team. Your free play will be selected by the club. Get a place in Sorare's leagues. Create the group. Follow the players you like. Make an offer for rare cards. Sorare has an NFT system which is primarily played by players earning. Buy an authentic football figurine digitally. A prize can be reached if the footballer performs appropriately, in fiat or Ethereum. NFT trading allows you to make profits over the long term. Can you sell common cards on Sorare? While they aren't available for buying or selling, they can be used as part of various tournaments to win money prizes, but they are most frequently used with the free version of Sorare. Enjoy with your favorite sports club with Sorare game. The link to enter the game is in the pinned comment. Soon we expect the NBA League. The football scene is heating up. The World Cup in Qatar 2022 is getting closer. Thank you for watching and liking, and don't forget to subscribe.